Isko Moreno Dumagos.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'll make it quick so that we can start hiring people. I just wanted to reiterate our gratitude to the San Miguel Corporation. Totoo yung sinabi ni Jacob, San Miguel and Manila comes together since time immemorial. Pinakamalaking planta nasa Tondo, Parola, hindi ko lang naikwento kay Jacob, yung lahat ng bubog ng San Miguel, siya namin pinipick up nung bata kami na nasa Parola nung panahon na wala pang ICTSI. Kasi kami yung mga original na squatter doon sa likod ng San Miguel Glass Plant. Ang tanging alaala na lang bukod sa San Miguel Planta ay yung Petron sa kanto. Hindi pa ako tao, nandun na yata yung Petron na yon. But then again, to the people of Manila, to our aspiring applicants, I'm happy to inform you na unti-unti bumabalik ang tiwala ng mga negosyante na kunin ay mga taga Maynila. So, natutuwa ko para sa inyo sapagkat naibabalik natin yung kumpiyansa ng malalaking kumpanya na dito ganapin yung ganitong mga gawain na kung saan makapagbibigay ng oportunidad sa mga batang Maynila at tagalungsod ng Maynila. This company is the biggest conglomerate in the country. Offers a lot of opportunity. This company knows how to take care of their employees. I, for one, I know. Alam ko po na mabuti silang kumpanya, mabuti silang amo, mabuti silang magnegosyo. And I'm excited to each and every one of you that you're going to be included in the roster of those great companies under the San Miguel Corporation. Kaya sa ating mga aplikante, gagalingan ninyo ha, so that the next maybe your brothers and sisters or your family or your children later on, at lagi sasabihin ng mga malalaking kumpanya, hindi, kunin mo yung mga taga Maynila kasi magagaling na empleyado yun. So you have to prove that to them today kung kayo ay makakasali sa malaking kumpanya. Galingan ninyo, wala kong ibang hinihingi sa inyo. Ang inyong pamahalang lungsod ay hindi titigil to focus on delivering what we have promised. MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs, jobs, and jobs. For us to have it available, that kind of opportunity for our people is to ease doing business in the city of Manila. More business, more jobs. More jobs, mas peaceful ang ating pamayanan. At the end of the day, pagdating ng December 31, yad ba sila ng buwis? So, everybody wins. The people wins, the city wins, the business wins. That exactly the purpose of government. And I'm grateful also to the national government. Napansin niyo po, nadadalas ang national government sa Maynila, laging katulong natin upang makapagbigay ng serbisyo sa ating mga kababayan. Pasalamatan natin ang DOLE. Thank you, DOLE. Daloy-daloyan ninyo nang dumami pa ang trabaho para sa ating mga batang Maynila. So for now, I leave it there. I wish you good luck and success in today's activity. Again, to Jacob, to Ramon, to the San Miguel family, I, on behalf of the people of Manila and Peso, thank you very much for this opportunity for our citizen in the city of Manila. Magandang araw, pagpalain nawa kayo ng kung may kapal. Manila, God first. Thank you.